me on my side, baby. Where would I be without your love beside me? Okay, so this might be slightly crooked. Is this still crooked? I don't know. Alright y'all, so I have a huge pimple on my face. I'm sorry, okay? My skin is breaking out because life. But here we are today. Today we're gonna be slaying this wig. Right now it looks so wiggy because it's literally just thrown on my head. I just made a quick wig from the bundles that I received from Dsoar hair. So I've already did my lace. And as you guys can see, it is a closure wig. It also is a quick wig closure. So I could go back in and cut that off, and I will. Where are my scissors? Way over there. I literally just made this quick wig. That's what I keep calling it. It's a quick wig. I made this quick wig in about an hour or less, maybe 45 minutes. I took a ton of breaks, okay? I ate twice, got on Instagram. Y'all know how it goes. But I made this wig with the Salon Pro 30-second super hair bond glue. I was in the hair store and I was debating the multiple ways that I could make this happen. So I was like, I could sew it. Girl, we don't got time for that. I was like, I could do a quick weave in my own head, bro. I'm not doing that, okay? I was like, I could do the hot glue gun method, which is what I was gonna do, but I was like, man, how many fingers am I gonna burn trying to accomplish this? How long is that gonna take, and how long will the wig actually last? So I don't know what made me decide to do this quick wig weave method, but I'm glad that I did. It took absolutely no time and it looks bomb. Like, you really can't even tell. The only thing that you can tell that this was a super Rignig install is this, and no one's gonna see that, so it's okay. Best thing about this install, if you're new here, welcome. I have damaged my hairline because of glue, because of Got to Be. You might see Got to Be in this video. I think I have an addiction. I can't get rid of Got to Be products. I don't know what it is, whether it's the efficiency, but Got to Be is not efficient. I don't know if it's the affordability. Got to Be is not that affordable. I don't know what it is about Got to Be, but I can't stop using it. But it is damaging my hairline. And so I am going to attempt the no glue November, which means this month I'm not gonna be gluing any of my wigs down. This wig is not glued down. It just fits so snug and so perfect that I don't have to use glue. And that was the goal. As you can see, I already have a part that's kind of secured, and I've already separated my baby hairs a tiny bit. This is the box right here, Dsoar hair. Can we just take a moment and look at this packaging? Super cute. I wasn't expecting it, but honestly, Dsoar hair is starting to be, if not have always been, one of those hair companies that are highly recommended. You hear about it all the time, at least I have, but I personally have never tried Dsoar hair. Excuse me, that was weird, but I've never tried Dsoar hair, but I have influencer friends who have worked with them, who have tried the hair, and also family members who have purchased the hair, to my surprise. A lot of my cousins were like, oh my gosh, I wore their hair to prom, etc, etc. So I'm pretty excited to see how long this hair is gonna last, but in this video I will be giving you guys my first impression of this hair, and so far I really like. So the hair that I received is a 20-inch closure and 3 24-inch bundles of their natural wave, Peruvian natural wave. Now I will honestly say I did not choose this texture. I did not choose anything about this, so I really like to see how this hair is actually gonna work for me, because I know some people are like, oh, they send influencers better hair. This was not my idea, guys, so we're gonna see firsthand how this hair actually holds up. One of the things that I notice whenever I look for curly hair is if the closure is different than the bundles, or the frontal is different than the bundles in the wave pattern. And in my opinion, they look pretty concurrent, like they look like it flows exactly. This is the hair in its raw texture, just attached to a dome cap. I have not styled it, parted, layered it, none of that, colored it, none of it. This is its natural state. I did use all 3 bundles except for like a piece this small, so I did fit all of that onto this cap, which I am happy about. The hair is super thick and you can't see through it, which I love. And also the length is pretty true to length, especially for it to be a curly texture. It still did not take away from any of the length, which I also love. Closure itself looks super natural. I did go with a little bit of my lace tint, but honestly I did not have to, and I love that the lace is chocolate girl friendly. I feel like, you know how I am, if you're new here I don't lie, but there's really nothing I can say about this hair off rip that's like cautionary, which is very odd, and I really like that. I'm going to use this to push back the direction of my hair, so I spray this onto the actual portion. Look at this comb. I know y'all, I know it's been through a lot, but anyway, I'm using this to kind of shape my wig so that and then I like to go in a little with the baby hair. I like to go in with some mousse. So yeah, I do this on the front. This is currently my favorite mousse, and a good mousse takes you very far in the lace world. So this is a Style and Amplify hair mousse that I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. But it gives a really nice hold. All right, so I'm going to try to do my baby hairs off camera and I'll be back. All right, so overall this hair says that it is human hair, so I'm really curious to wet it and see how that looks best. I possibly should have done that already. However, I don't have a spray bottle. I don't even know where my spray bottle is. So I'm definitely going to be doing my makeup in the morning, and I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me for you guys featuring this hair, so make sure you stay tuned. But so far so good. Like, the hair looks really pretty. It's a natural wave and it looks so natural. Like, I really like this hair. Alright guys, so this is going to be my initial review from Dsoar hair. If you're interested in the hair that I'm wearing, definitely check out the description box below. Shout out to Dsoar hair for sending these beautiful bundles over to your girl. I can't wait to take some bomb pictures with them with some makeup to cover this pimple. But I hope you guys like this review and tutorial nonetheless, and I will see you guys in my next one. I was also telling my Instagram fam, they sent over this really cute bonnet, so I'm actually about to put it on to go to bed. This is literally how I do my curly hair. Either I braid it up or I just tuck it and wrap it around itself and stick my bonnet on. This is so cute. so cute. All right, let me get my pimple, go to bed.